Hi guys, it's Colette, and for day 8 of the 2020 12 Days of Christmas nail art, we're going to be working on these faceted opals. If you love nail art, be sure you're subscribed to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting off with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with a base coat. Today I'm using Holo Peely Base, and you can use whichever is your personal preference. For my base color today, I'll be using Holo One Coat Black. Then I'll be topping that with Cosmic Unicorn Skin, Solar Unicorn Skin, and Aurora Unicorn Skin, and then doing the design with Orly Rage. I've got a small lid. That's where I'll be putting out a little bit of the gold polish. And then I'll just be working around each nail to add a sort of faceted border. Once you've finished the facets, you can add a top coat, and as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. Finally, I'm going to finish this design off with a matte top coat, and today I'm using Wet n Wild's matte top coat. So here's the finished manicure, and once again I have kind of mixed feelings about it. I do know that I like it better with the matte top coat than I did while it was glossy. I think you can see more of the details, and the flakies themselves just stand out more when they're not quite as shiny. If you'd like to see the extended tutorial for this, that will be up here on YouTube shortly. And if you'd like to join me live for nail art, you can come follow at twitch.tv/ColetteMSLP. I'd love to hear what you guys think down in the comments. whether you prefer the day version or this night version. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.